welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and for my existing subscribers, thank you so much for returning. So today's video is another Tellin what I'm selling. Now if you're new and you're wondering what the hell is Tellin what I'm selling, that sounds so cheesy. Well, it's my side hustle where I take things laying around my home and I sell it. I put it on buy-sell sites such as Kijiji, Facebook Marketplace, and Let Go. Facebook Marketplace is my favorite though. I do quite well on there. It's super easy to create an ad. So if you're thinking about taking things that you don't use, definitely give that site a try. In these videos, I like to show you the item. I like to let you know how much I listed it for. I like to also tell you the reason why I'm selling and show you what I did with the money if I did anything with it at all. Sometimes I just save it. My customer today contacted me for a pair of wedges that I'm selling, and it was on Facebook Marketplace. These are them right here. Just show you they were hardly worn. They're in great shape. I listed them for $15 firm, meaning the price is not negotiable. She did send me the money by electronic funds transfer so that there's no contact at all, so that we can ensure that we're still social distancing. And she will be picking them up later this afternoon. My reason for selling, simply you saw them, they're in great condition. I wore them probably once or twice. They hurt my feet so much. I don't know, it's weird. They kind of push your toes down to the tip of the shoe and they're really uncomfortable. Maybe she'll have better luck than I did. Plans for the money? I don't have any plans at all, so I'll just bank it, which I often do. I do have a question for you. Would you have sold them or would you have kept them? Because they're nice shoes. It's just, yeah, so let me know down below. That's everything to my video. If you're thinking of selling things online, definitely do so, but be safe. It is a quick way to make cash. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, my lovelies, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye!